Namaste everyone and welcome back to this journey through Maharishi Patanjali's Yoga Sutras. In the previous sutra 1.20, Maharishi Patanjali showed us how faith, energy, remembrance, concentration and wisdom lead the seeker towards realization. Now, in today's sutra 1.21, he reveals a profound truth that the speed of our spiritual progress depends on the intensity of our longing and effort. This sutra is full of inspiration. It tells us that realization is not a matter of time but of intensity. The Sutra 1.21 is Tivra Samveganam Asanna. Meaning is for those who are intensely energetic and deeply committed, realization comes very near. It happens swiftly. After describing the gradual path in Sutra 1.20, Maharishi Patanjali now gives us a powerful secret. It is not only the number of years or number of techniques that matter, it is the intensity and sincerity of the effort. This sutra emphasizes the inner fire of the seeker, samvega. It is a deep, passionate yearning for liberation. Maharishi Patanjali tells us that the state of samadhi or union does not depend on time, place, or external conditions, but on the intensity of the seeker's aspiration. Let us look at the keywords. The first is Tivra. Tivra means intense, sharp, powerful, like a flame that burns unwaveringly. Samvega means deep zeal, enthusiasm, or urgency. The kind of inner propulsion that arises when one sees the futility of worldly sufferings and longs for freedom. Asanna means near or easily attainable or swiftly realized. Maharishi Patanjali assures us for one who practices with full heart and unwavering urgency, realization is not far away. Imagine fire applied to a metal rod. A mild flame will take long to heat it, but an intense flame will make it glow very quickly. In the same way, spiritual heat, Tivra Samveg, melts away the impurities of the mind and brings us swiftly to the state of yoga. Or think of a person searching for air after being underwater. That single minded, desperate longing for breath symbolizes samvega. When our yearning for truth becomes that strong, realization cannot stay distant. In Sanskrit, samveg is a word filled with emotion. It is like burning aspiration for freedom. It is that moment when the seeker says, enough of this restless cycle, I want to awaken now. Such intensity dissolves inner resistance and accelerates progress naturally. This is why Maharishi Patanjali says, Tivra Samveganam Asanna. For the intensely devoted, realization is near. The moment your longing for the divine becomes total, separation ends. In this sutra, Maharishi Patanjali speaks directly to the heart of the sadhaka. Do not delay your awakening. Make your aspiration a living fire. Reflection for me: how deeply do I long for inner peace, for union with the divine? Do I approach my practice with gentle interest or with intense commitment? Think, what would my practice look like if I treated it as the most important thing in life? So, the essence of Sutra 1.21 is for the one whose aspiration is intense and whose effort is infused with passion and purpose, realization draws near. The distance between the seeker and the thought disappears. This sutra reminds us that yoga is not a slow unfolding, it is the fire that ignites the moment our intensity, sincerity becomes complete. So, this was about Sutra 1.21. We will meet in our next episode with next Sutra. Namaste.